The geographical location of the Danish-German region plays an important role in linking Scandinavia and Northern and Central Europe. The area is located midway between the great cities of Copenhagen and Hamburg. The interaction between the southern Danish and northern German companies, institutions and organisations is strengthened through a joint economic cooperation. Cluster cooperation across borders offers great opportunities for growth, development and activity. The focus is on 6 strong areas of competence: sustainable energy, logistics, health and welfare technology, tourism and experience economy, food and agriculture, and knowledge.
My name is Tit Juel Madsen. I'm the head of secretariat at Design to Innovate, a design cluster here in the region of Southern Denmark.
Mit navn er Ulla Gernov, og jeg arbejder på LEGO og har ansvaret for produktinnovation og marketing, udvikling.
The way we work with design, I think, is quite special.
Projektet stimulerer videreuddannelse.
We work with design as a method of innovation.
Det stimulerer samarbejde. Det genererer mere viden.
We work with companies from very different industries, both manufacturing, consumer goods, but also within the public sector and healthcare sector.
For at samarbejde om design og prøve at skabe en klynge omkring design er anderledes end at skabe en klynge omkring en specifik industri.
What we bring to the table that's very unique is an approach to innovation. That's the toolbox of the designers, and we teach those tools.
Hele klyngen handler jo om at prøve at skabe alle interessante partnere i regionen sammen, som har en interesse og kan få noget ud af at arbejde tættere sammen med andre omkring design. For Design to Innovate, som jo baserer sig på design som værdiskabelse, synes jeg, der er store perspektiver for Danmark.
We definitely are planning to get a stronger foothold internationally.
Der tror jeg i høj grad, at vi som land kan konkurrere internationalt.
Starting up some collaborations with other design clusters in Europe, both in Italy and in Belgium, and we're also looking into perhaps Finland and the UK.